In the previous video, we already show you how to create a website and also create a form using GoHighLevel. And in this tutorial, let me show you how we can create a calendars on GoHighLevels. With calendars, we can create many functions like personal booking, class, meeting, or another options for our website later. To access your calendar, just go to your calendars menu here. And this is the first appear. Okay. If you open the calendar menu, we don't need this. Just go to calendar settings. Okay. This is the most important thing. After you open the calendar settings, there is preferences. You can scheduling options and set the meeting location. Okay. This is for the meeting location and you can using the time zones. For example, you set on GMT plus 7 in here and save preferences. This is just for example. And for availability, this is our working hours. You can set time zone also in your current. Okay, for example, we can just using GMT plus 7 and click save availability. This is will impact in your calendar. You will have also option to connect your calendar using another application in there. Using Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, iCloud, Calendly, and another. Okay, back to our settings for calendar here. And to create your first calendar, just click new calendar button here. And this is for main category. Personal booking is suitable if you want to create client meetings and private consultations. Class booking if you want to create webinars, group training, online classes. Round robin is suitable if you want to create sales calls or onboarding sessions. Collective booking if you want to create panel interviews, committee reviews, and another. You can also explore more types in below there. So in here, we need just to one personal booking. Just type meeting for client like this, and you can set the custom URL. This is meeting client. For example, like this, you can just open or give another Slack or URL if this already taken. Just add for there. And this is meeting duration. It's very important. Let's set 60 minutes. And also this is our workings hours. Okay, don't forget to set this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Friday. We don't want on the Friday, for example, and just in the 4 days in a week. And don't forget to set your hours. For example, we just available on the 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. Check it to this and select AM and click confirm. Okay. Now we can preview first our calendar. You can see there. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and for Friday, we don't want to services available. You can see there. There is option for people to booking in this interval. This is based on our working hours, so you can adjust this later also. For example, you don't want this available is many times, just back into your calendar here and select edit calendar. Let's adjust the availability. Okay. For example, we just want one times in one day because our meeting duration is 1 hour. So we can just set this into 9, for example, 9 a.m. Okay. 9 a.m. like this. Okay. Just 9 a.m. Okay. Then we can click save. Okay. Now we can preview again our calendar. or we can just reload this. You can see in this case, our existing is on 8 a.m. Okay, because we close in the 9 a.m. This is very helpful if you want to create in specific time, and people can booking your appointment. For example, like this in the 9, the people can select this hour and type the first name, last name. Okay, for example, this is our funds. Okay, and the number of these people, and for example, booking, consultation, and another. Just click confirm, and the people can schedule a meeting like this. Okay, your meeting has been scheduled. Thank you for your appointment request. We will contact you shortly. Please call our service. Please call our office at. You can get this number into your profile. Okay, so you can setting this. Okay, how to see the our scheduling for these people that already submit from calendar. Back into our calendar and select back to calendar list. Okay, then you can click again to go back to our first time view. Okay, just go back for our first times. You can see in the our calendar view for the months, we can select the months like this. And this is the people that just submit. Okay, you can click this to view the details. Okay, you can get the details by clicking there. Description also, and phone number, name, email, and another. And in the next tutorial, let's embed this calendar into our websites. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you have the latest information about technology in there. Hope this video helpful for you.